Here we are on the 1986 P-19, Oshkosh made, delivered to us. Opened up the panel here on the drain valves, and the handle that normally goes through the panel here we see is busted out. Normally goes right there. You can see a couple of them right there, there, and there. I believe that's dry agent discharge. It could be halon. This is water, drain valves. So it seems as though that's something we could get fixed. Something to look out for. Filling the tank right now, just with hose, sitting water. Open up the small hatch here. Also opened up the large hatch. See in here, filling there. Probably a little more than halfway full. Not too bad. Maybe taking 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. If we walk around to the front here, we do have a small leak that I've tried to just tape up. Not sure what that hose is. I almost think it's the windshield washer, sorry, the windshield cooling system. Hard to tell. Obviously, I think that one right there is the main water line. But that entire hose seems to be a little rotted out. But I think it all goes to obviously the front turret gun here. So we'll find out here shortly. Everything else on the truck runs really well. Seems to be a small air leak because it loses air pressure over about 36 hours. But it comes right back up once you start it up.